Alright, well, hello again. Welcome to the leather works, I suppose. So, yeah, in this video I'm going to show you how I'm planning to restore this original Bradbag into a condition that is still usable. As you can see, these leather straps have been torn off and the button has been cut off. And also this leather strap is gone and this one is just hanging on by dear life. I doubt this will survive any longer. And also a lot of buttons have been replaced, as you can see here. I think I'll leave this one in place, but probably replace this and well, these two. So it will be useful again for reenacting. And yeah, I already prepared some things to use. So I have this old, it's going to be original linen thread, which is the same as used here. It's actually 3/4 machine thread from I think it's Belgium. Yeah, Belgique. And yeah, got some needles here, obviously. And in this operation platter, we're gonna call this, I made some straps myself. I just used some post-war chin straps and used one of these hole pliers or whatever you'd call them to make a hole. And then I just used this carpet knife to cut out the holes and also make a slit here, as you can see. So it's the teardrop shape. Well, here's the best example. And I also angled the ends, as with original straps. You can sort of see it here, but not really. So, first of all, also these are original buttons, which I found in the ground. These are made of aluminium. The one here is made of steel, but it doesn't really matter. This Bradbag itself was made from mixed parts. And see, this thick piece of leather has pebbling on it, and that's because it was well, scrapped from ammo pouch production, the K98 ammo pouches, whereas this is a bit thinner, so from other equipment. You can also see this with these back parts here. These are also pebbled. So yeah, it's just recycling. I guess that's what the Germans do best. So yeah, I'm gonna start with removing these old straps, and then I'll sew the new ones back on, and I'll make some holes in them so they line up with these, so it fits exactly. So yeah, let's just do that. And this old piece of leather is not really of much use to anyone anyway, and this Bradbag in this condition doesn't really hold any value, so it's a good one to use for reenacting. There's one strap. Now we just take this out of here and remove the thread. It's also a good thing that I'll leave this here so I know what it's supposed to look like when it's done. So just remove this. And I mean, I can already use the holes here as a guideline. Now we'll do the same on this side. The leather is still soft here. I had one that was very hard, and well, this wasn't a fun experience to remove them from there. Well, to do anything with the leather, to be honest, because I tried to save it as best I could. But to no avail, it literally just fell apart. Yeah, you can already see how this is going to look. So let's first of all, which needle are we going to use? We're going to use the big one. And to get some thread. Right, now let's make the holes. I'll just line this here. Let's see, it's probably best if I have a piece of wood or something. Oh wait, I can use this. Right. Let's just place this here. sure it's straight. Just begin making the holes. There we go. I'll shift them a bit to the side actually, because they are not quite in the middle. Or, I mean, let's see if we can compare this to this one. Yeah, it's best if we put it in the middle. And now to enlarge them, so we actually can work with them. Just go through them again. Not too hard, otherwise we'll break the leather. And yeah, one more. Right. You can see the holes in the leather now. Wait, let me see if it's focused. Not sure if it's even going to be visible with this lighting. Well, let's do it like this. Yeah, I can see it now. Right. Now on to actually doing what they're here for. Just start at the top and work our way down, and then we'll do a second pass. By the way, I'm not sure if this is actually done like this, but it will certainly hold together. See if I can pull it through here. It's got stuck on a thread. And let me get some pliers. And there we are. Let's just pull it through. And keep going. That's one side done, and now for the other. Right, there we are. As you can see, the thread is a bit thinner, but as soon as it gets used, it will expand a bit. Yep, there we are. See, that's what it looks like now. So this is the part I did, and that's the original. So yeah, I'll just do this for the other part. It's the same, so I'll just end this part here, and then we'll go straight to the buttons and the other strap. And then just so you can see what it looks like when it's fixed. Here there's one side and here's the other side. And yeah, just so it's kind of a pain to do this one-handed, so there we go. This button is actually made of steel, I think, so that's also pretty interesting, and it's very thin, but it's original, so that's pretty cool. Definitely a late war piece, this one. There's no maker's mark on it or anything. And yeah, now onward to this one. Alright, now as you can see, we've got both straps in place, and they look very nice now. And yeah, now it's time to move on to this, and I'm not quite sure how I'll actually tackle it. Yeah, I guess I'm not sure if I'm gonna trust the condition of the leather here. It's kind of the so how far does it go in here? Not much. It stops there, so I could theoretically just remove all the stitches here and I should be good. There we go, it's coming loose now. There we go. And yeah, that's what it looks like now. I'm gonna need to put this in here. So let's start by making holes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. And we're done. Right. So this. And it could be enough. So let's try. Right. Now let's do it slightly differently. And that is like so. Not visible. Right. And we're done with that. Let me show you. So here's the next strap in place. You can see, just like the original. And also on the back, just like it was before, just a bit brighter. So now the only thing that's left to do is the buttons, and I'll just do one exemplary one, and I think that's gonna be enough. I still have plenty of thread here, which is good. Come on. So let's see, how did they do it back then? There's one end, but not both. So I'll also just hide it here beneath. Right. Which one will we take? Let's go with this one. I mean, sewing on a button is easy enough. And there we go. I just need to tie a knot on the other side. And there we go, now the button's on there. Nice and tight. I can quite easily close it. Like this. Alright, now I'll just do the remaining 3 buttons, and well, yeah, the dog finally shut up. So yeah, I'll just do the remaining buttons, then we do a little show off of what it looks like now, and yeah, then you know how to restore a bread bag for reenacting. One that isn't very desirable anymore because it has a lot of parts missing, and I mean, the fabric is in nice condition, but I mean the leather is bleh, and I mean, the buttons are also... Oh, this one is so nice. Alright, I think it's time to wrap up. I decided to leave these two buttons out because I just removed this one because it was kind of badly sewn on, but these are nice and tidy, so I'll leave them because I mean they were done back then and it's a nice bit of field repair. But yeah, this is it now, mostly restored. Let's open it up so we can have another look at all the parts. Come on. This button is a bit big, maybe I'll actually replace that one. I think I will. This is making it a bit annoying to get things going. But yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, I hope you learned something, and now you know how to repair your original Breadbag, or maybe one you use for reenacting, like a reproduction one. I mean, I'll use this one reenacting too, because it's very nice, and if you did, leave a like, subscribe maybe, I don't know, that's up to you, and well, I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.